children, welcome back to Grade 5 Computer Digital Learning Platform. Children, here I am back with chapter number 1. Today I am going to discuss on the topic types of computers. Let us understand learning outcome of today's class. We are learning to know and describe types of computers. Children, you be ready with computer textbook, curriculum worksheet number 1, pencil and an eraser. Let us begin our topic, types of computers. There are different types of computers with respect to size, speed, storage capacity and cost. Computers can be classified into the following types. Microcomputer. These computers are small in size and cost less. They are usually designed for personal use. Therefore, they are also called personal computers or PC. They are mainly used in homes, schools, offices, shops, banks, etc. These computers are given different names according to their usage. Children, let us understand about desktop computers. These computers are designed to fit comfortably on top of desks. Commodore 64, IBM PC are the examples for desktop computers. Desktop computers typically come in several units such as monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, which are connected to each other and work like a single unit. Children, let us move to laptop computers. These computers are small in size and can be placed on the lap. These are battery operated and portable. Tablet computers. These computers are smaller and lighter than laptop computers. Common tablets have 7-inch or 10-inch screen. Tablets can be used to browse the web, play games, send emails, listen to music, watch movies, view photos, read e-books and so on. Children, you hope you understood about microcomputers, types of microcomputers. Let us move to mini computers. These computers are bigger in size than that of microcomputers. They have a higher processing speed and are costlier than microcomputers. These computers are capable of supporting 4 to 200 users simultaneously. They are used in banks, universities, and in any other big organizations. For example, PDP-8 is the example for mini computers. Children, let us move to mainframe computers. These computers are very powerful. They are big in size with a large memory and high speed. They are designed to tackle huge amount of data. More than 100 users can use a mainframe computer simultaneously. Mainframe computers are very expensive and are used in large business organizations, universities, banks, scientific laboratories, airline or railway ticket reservation, stock exchange markets, etc. Examples are IBM Z series, PDP-10 and System Z10. Children, hope you understood about mainframe computers. Let us move to supercomputers. They are the most powerful computers with a huge processing speed. These computers are used for weather forecasting, space research, satellite control, etc. Examples are Cray 1, Cray 2, Param, EDA-810. Children, supercomputers are the very powerful and expensive computers. Hope you understood about these types of computers. Let's know more. Param is a series of supercomputers designed and assembled by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing (CDAC) in Pune, India. The latest machine in the series is the Param Yuva 2. Children, it is our country's supercomputer. Know the fact. Wrong input leads to wrong output. It is called GIGO, garbage in and garbage out. Children, hope you understood about these two as well. Let us solve one activity based on these topics. Complete the flowchart with correct options. Children, here we have a flowchart on different types of computers. Children, how many types of computers are there? Yes, there are 4. Which is the first one? Yes, it is microcomputer. The remaining 3 you will write it on your own. Again, microcomputers are classified into 3 types. Can you tell me? Yes, it is desktop computer. The other 2 you will write it on your own. Children, hope you understood this activity. You will complete the remaining part of flowchart on your own. It is time to end our session. Home play. Complete the worksheet 1, activities 5, 6 and 7. Read and solve Brain Developer given in the textbook, page number 12. Activity A, B and C in the computer notebook. Thank you.